A swimmer's best friend, Chipotle. Practicing pancakes. I'm here at Chipotle in Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's go through a timetable of my travel schedule. 3 o'clock, touchdown in CVG Airport. 3:30, leave airport to rental car facility. 4 o'clock, pick up rental car. 4:25, arrive at the Northern Kentucky Clippers swim practice. Every swimmer knows what that weird period after your spring taper meet, but before/during spring break feels like. You're still kind of tapered, but you're also kind of out of shape. And sometimes you swim really well in practice, like go best times kind of well. And then sometimes you swim like poo and you're like, what's going on with my body? Yeah. So this is where we're at today. The Clippers were also shorthanded because half of their team is currently training at the OTC. So there was a small crew and the coaches were trying to get everyone motivated. So they did a lactate set with a twist.
So today, for our main set, we did 10 150s off the block, short course, trying to go all out, trying to see how much they could stay under their 200 free time. And then we took the average seconds that they were under their 200 free time and came up with the winner. And today we actually had a prize for the winner of a Chipotle gift card. So that was the prize for the person who was furthest under their 200 time.
I want to feel it, but my arms aren't allowing it.
Ride horse.
Hang in there on that back half. Don't fade.
under their 200 free time, and that was Will Brewer. Winner.
Yeah.
Very good. He averaged about 26 seconds under his time, which is awesome.
Just been gifted the Chipotle gift card. How does it feel?
It feels amazing.
What was the big secret for your success today?
Just mainly those underwaters. I tried to not breathe in and out, but that didn't work so well. So just the underwaters for the main part of that.
Yeah.
Been working on that all season, just so it paid off in the training.
Halfway through the set, did you think that you had a chance?
I did not think I had a little bit of a chance. I saw Ethan's times, those 22, I'm like, well, he's definitely got it. I didn't even think about me for that top spot.
What are you most excited about to go to Chipotle for tonight?
The burrito.
Trying to fight that post-spring taper meet blue scenario. The coaches had a pretty cool thing that they would do at the end of each practice this month. Any athlete that felt good that day could do a fast swim at the end of practice, just to see what they could go. And I think we've all been there. You feel good one day after a taper meet, you're like, hey, let's try to swim 100 fly. Bam, best time. So that's what we have here. Today's event, the 50 fly.
JP's trying to go 23.7. All right, let's go. Get up. Make hard.
Yeah.
It is?
That's the
I
smoky.
could have had that on mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, full.